Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Through Book Ideas. Today, we are learning a very common phrasal verb, come back.
Yes, you will hear come back in conversations, movies, books, messages, and everyday life.
Let's begin with the basic meaning. Come back means to return to a place.
For example, imagine that Emma leaves her office for lunch. Her manager asks, "When will you come back?"
Emma can answer, I'll come back at 1 o'clock.
In this example, Emma leaves the office and later she returns. She comes back.
Here's another example. John is visiting his parents for the weekend. Before he leaves, his mother says, please come back soon.
That means she wants John to return and visit again soon.
Let's notice the direction. We usually use come back when someone returns to the place where the speaker is or to a place connected to the speaker.
Compare these two sentences. Please come back here and please go back home.
Please come back here means return to where I am.
Please go back home means return to another place away from where I am now.
Here's a simple situation. David is at a cafe. His friend Michael leaves to take a phone call. David says, come back when you finish.
Michael returns 5 minutes later and says, I'm back.
That expression is useful too. I'm back means I have returned.
Now let's learn some common sentence patterns.
Pattern 1. Come back plus time. For example, come back tomorrow.
Come back next week.
Come back at 6.
Pattern 2. Come back from plus a place. For example, Sarah came back from New York yesterday.
That means Sarah returned after being in New York.
Another example is, when did Daniel come back from his business trip?
Pattern 3. Come back to plus a place. For example, Anna came back to the office after lunch.
Or, we hope to come back to this hotel next year.
Let's look at the verb forms.
In the present tense, we say come back. For example, I usually come back home by 7.
With he, she, or it, we say comes back. Lisa comes back from work at 5.
In the past tense, come changes to came, so we say came back.
Alex came back last night.
For the present perfect, we say has come back or have come back.
For example, Emma has come back from lunch.
Be careful, we do not say comed back. The correct past form is came back.
English irregular verbs can be tricky, but this one is easy to remember with practice. Come, came, come.
Let's practice. Listen and repeat.
Please come back tomorrow.
Please come back tomorrow.
What time will you come back?
What time will you come back?
She came back after lunch.
She came back after lunch.
They have come back from their trip.
They have come back from their trip.
Great work! Now let's try a short conversation.
I'm going to the supermarket. Do you need anything?
Yes, please. Could you buy some milk?
Of course. I'll come back in about 30 minutes.
Okay. Please call me if you need help.
No problem. See you soon.
What did the speaker mean by, I'll come back in about 30 minutes?
It means the speaker will return after approximately 30 minutes.
Now it is your turn. Answer this question out loud. What time do you usually come back home?
You can say, I usually come back home at 7.
Or, I usually come back home after work.
Excellent! You now understand the most common meaning of come back, to return to a place.
Next, we will learn other useful meanings, including memories, feelings, fashions, and ideas that come back.
Welcome back. We already learned that come back can mean to return to a place.
Now let's explore other natural ways to use this phrasal verb.
Come back can mean to return to your memory.
For example, I forgot her name, but it came back to me later.
It came back to me means I remembered it again.
Let's hear a short conversation.
Do you remember the name of the restaurant we visited?
Not right now. Wait, yes, it just came back to me. It was called Green Garden.
The name disappeared from the speaker's memory for a moment, and then the memory returned.
We can also say, when I heard that old song, many memories came back.
Come back can also describe something becoming popular again.
For example, old-fashioned clothes are coming back.
That means they were popular in the past, became less popular, and are now becoming popular again.
Another example is, that hairstyle is coming back.
We can also use come back for energy, confidence, health, or a feeling.
After a good night's sleep, my energy came back.
Her confidence came back after she practiced her presentation.
The pain went away, but it came back the next morning.
In each example, something disappeared or became weaker and then returned.
Now, let's learn 3 useful expressions.
First, come back later.
Use this when now is not a good time. For example, the manager is busy. Could you come back later?
Second, come back soon.
This is a warm way to tell someone that you hope they return soon.
Third, make a comeback.
This means to become successful or popular again.
For example, the singer made a successful comeback after several years away.
In sports, a comeback happens when a player or team is losing but improves and returns to a strong position.
For example, the team was losing by 2 goals, but they made an amazing comeback.
Now let's compare come back and go back.
Come back usually means return toward the speaker or return to the speaker's place.
Go back usually means return to another place.
Imagine I'm at the office. I tell Anna, please come back to the office tomorrow.
Later, Anna is at home. She says, I have to go back to the office tomorrow.
The place is the same, but the speaker's position is different.
Let's do a quick review. Complete each sentence with the correct form of come back.
Number 1, please blank tomorrow morning.
The answer is come back. Please come back tomorrow morning.
Number 2, Michael blank from Paris last night.
The answer is came back. Michael came back from Paris last night.
Number 3, my confidence has blank.
The answer is come back. My confidence has come back.
Number 4, that old fashion is blank.
The answer is coming back. That old fashion is coming back.
Well done.
Now, here is your speaking challenge. Make 3 sentences using come back.
First, make a sentence about returning to a place.
For example, I will come back to the library tomorrow.
Second, make a sentence about a memory.
For example, the answer came back to me during the meeting.
Third, make a sentence about something becoming popular again.
For example, classic shoes are coming back.
Say your sentences out loud, then write one of them in the comments.
Before we finish, remember the main meanings. Come back can mean return to a place, return to your memory, or become strong, active, or popular again.
Practice this phrasal verb in your daily conversations. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel.
Thank you for learning with English through book ideas.
Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another English learner.
We will come back with another useful phrasal verb in the next lesson.
See you next time.